Hi guys, so there is an Easter fun day on Sunday the 9th of April and maybe Monday the 10th of April, just depends how busy it is. So if you're stuck with ideas to do with the kids, come to Sophie's Sweet Stop in Lark Hall. We've got Easter activities, make your own pick and mix, so it'll be like the candy cart, all the different sweets, and you just make your own. There'll be music, there'll either be an Easter bunny or an Easter chicken. Loads of prizes, colouring in, pin the tail in the bunny, and loads more. So it is £10, it's here. You will see it in my social media as well, and it's £2.50 for adults. So we get a cream egg and a drink of juice. What more could you want? 45-minute sessions, so they're like 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, 2:15, and 4:15. I think the last one's 4:15. So you can buy them in store or on the website. Link is in my bio, so come down and have fun with your kids. Bye!